The Trump administration is still encouraging states to reopen safely while the reported number of coronavirus cases continue to rise. Vice President Mike Pence caused a bit of a stir yesterday when he visited the Mayo Clinic without wearing a required protective mask. Ben Tracy is at the White House with more on this story. Ben, good morning to you. So what does the president say about the U.S. reaching 1 million reported cases so far?
Well, good morning. Late last night, the president tweeted that the only reason the U.S. has so many cases is because our testing is so much better than other countries. But the U.S. now has 4 times as many infections as any other country. Despite that, the White House is moving on to what they're calling the reopening phase, with the president focused on the economy.
At the White House Tuesday, President Trump defended saying back in February that the U.S. would soon have 0 coronavirus cases.
Well, it will go down to 0 ultimately. And you have to understand, when it comes to cases, we do much more testing than anybody else.
The president claims the country will soon be conducting 5 million tests per day.
Well, we're going to be there very soon. If you look at the numbers, it could be that we're getting very close.
But we aren't. The U.S. is conducting about 200,000 tests per day. At a White House event to highlight small businesses, the president said the worst of the pandemic is behind us.
But without a treatment, without a vaccine, and states now reopening, how can you be so sure?
Tremendous progress has been made, we think, on a vaccine. But I think what happens is it's going to go away. This is going to go away.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci says if states rush to reopen, it won't simply go away.
It could be a rebound to get us right back in the same boat that we were in a few weeks ago.
The mixed messaging was on full display when Vice President Pence, who heads the president's coronavirus task force, visited Minnesota's Mayo Clinic Tuesday. He was the only person not wearing a mask.
Great job.
The federal government advises all Americans to wear face coverings in public, and the Mayo Clinic added in a now-deleted tweet that it had informed the vice president of the masking policy.
I'm tested for the coronavirus on a regular basis, and everyone who is around me is tested for the coronavirus.
The vice president is not alone. When those mask guidelines were unveiled here at the White House earlier this month, the president made a point of saying that he would not wear one, and he often comments on people who are wearing them at events here at the White House. Anthony?
Ben, thank you.